Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect frozen blue margarita like a pro. The frozen blue margarita is beautifully concocted with tequila, orange liqueur, and citrus juice. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Today we will start with rimming the glass. So let's go and jump in. Take a margarita glass of about 300 milliliters or 10 ounces, and lightly rub the edge with a small piece of lemon. For the better results, try to use a professional glass rimmer. Give a little jerk to remove loose salts, and your glass is now perfectly rimmed. Okay, let's get into the mixology, and start pouring all the ingredients in a blender. Start with 45 milliliters or 1.5 ounces of tequila. After tequila, pour 15 milliliters or half an ounce of Cointreau. After the Cointreau, pour the same amount of blue curacao. After the blue curacao, pour 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice into the blender. Now add 1 tablespoon of bar sugar. If you don't have bar sugar, grind the honed sugar into powder, and use that. Next I will show you how to get the perfect consistency in a frozen cocktail. Start with an empty margarita glass. Now fill the glass with crushed ice, and empty it into the blender. This way you can get the perfect consistency, but also remember that the amount of liquid you are pouring should be half of the capacity of the glass. For example, today we are using a glass of about 300 milliliters or 10 ounces, so the total amount of liquid in the blender should be around 150 milliliters or 5 ounces. Okay, now start the blender and blend till it becomes slushy. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe, and if you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to contact me. I will be happy to hear from you. Now carefully pour the cocktail into the margarita glass. I will be happy if you make this cocktail for your family and friends, and share their experience with me. Perfect. The frozen blue margarita is now ready for you. So let's use a fresh lemon wheel to garnish it. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Cheers. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.